continue this lesson. Vidyalata asked him to put his loads of firewood down from his head. She said that she was willing to pay him a handful of grain. She found it quite funny that all the man was asking for was a handful of grains. And then Vidyalata she asked, she said to that Tenali Rama firewood is then firewood man. Okay, keep your fire here. I will take your fire. I will give you handful of grains. Handful of grains. Tenali Rama asked her again, I need a handful of grains. Hope you have understood clearly. Again Tenali Rama asked, see madam, I am asking you handful of grains. Hope you are understanding that clearly. Again he asked him. Vidyalata got angry at this and yelled at him, I am the most learned lady of this town, and you ask me whether or not I understand the meaning of handful of grain? Stop arguing with me and hand me the firewood. Then again Vidyalata said, what you are asking me? I am the most learned lady in the whole city. So you are asking me again and again. You understand? You said, yeah, I got every salesman will ask you that a handful of grains only. I will give you handful of grains. First you give me firewood. Like this, she don't argue with me. Like this, she said. The window persisted. Persisted means to try to continuously do something. Okay, madam, let me make it very clear. If you cannot pay the price, I seek you shall pay me the 1,000 gold coins and remove the notice from your wall. Then again here that fireman asked to the Vidyalata, madam, once again I am asking you, if you are not paying me handful of grain, you should pay the 1,000 gold coin and remove that your banner on your pasting on your banners on the door. You should remove. Now the ragging Vidyalata could not take it anymore. Is this some kind of a joke? What are you saying, you foolish man? Then again Vidyalata rudely, hey you foolish man, what are you saying? Just you give me firewood, I will give you handful of grain. Don't argue with me. Like this, she said rudely. Tenali Rama said, this is no joke. I told you the price I seek and you agreed. I sold you the firewood for the price. No, if you cannot fulfill your side of the deal, you have to pay me the 1,000 gold coins. You failed to understand what I meant, so I have succeeded in defeating you in a war of words. Then Tenali Rama sold firewood to the Vidyalata, but Vidyalata gave some grains. But Tenali Rama what he asked? Handful of grains. Means ishtu doddu grains irutta? Ishtu ಕಾಳು ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Like this color. Okay? Green seeds is there now. Green and yellow seeds you are using in curry. You may prepare, your mother will prepare curry now. So using this grains. This type of grains is there now. But Tenali Rama asked handful of grains. Means ಈಗ ಅವರು ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ರೆ ಅದು ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಗ್ರೇನ್ಸ್ ಆ ತರ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಆ ತರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ದ ದಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾನರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಗಿವ್ ಮಿ ಥೌಸಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಯಿನ್ಸ್. Vidyalata was taken aback but was not ready to accept defeat. They decided to take the matter to the court of justice. She presented the sequence of events and ended her arguments, saying that the window was out to cheat her of the 1,000 gold coin. Then ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಈ ಥರನೇ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತು, ಓಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗೋಣ, ಮೇನ್ ಜಡ್ಜ್ ಇರೋದಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಅವ್ರು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಓಕೆ ನಾನು ಅವರು 1,000 ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಕಾಯಿನ್ಗೆ ಚೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. The judge then asked Tenali Rama for his side of the story. He humbly replied, Sir, I had informed the lady that all I was seeking was a handful of grains. I did not want a handful of grains, but just one grain big enough to fill a hand. It is not my fault that she failed to understand the twist in the world. She has no rights those to call herself learned. I put the notice outside our home. Then Tenali Rama said, sister, I offered to that lady. I don't want rice. I want just handful of bread. 3 times I said to her, but she accepted. Now she is not giving me handful of bread. So I asked, if you have failed to understand, so just you remove that banner and give 1,000 coins. The judge could not but help smiling at the wit of this man. Little did he knew that he was none other than the Tenali Raman. Vidyolata was ordered to pay up and remove the notice from outside her house. Once again, it was proved that no one was a match for a Tenali Raman and his wit. Then again, Vidyolata's that judge man ಅವರು